Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Gmail from HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Gmail from HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over service providers or switch over emails. So maybe you need to remove your Gmail from whatever the case is. It's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into HoneyBook and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and unlink your Gmail, here on the top menu, you want to click on Tools. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and click here on Integrations. Okay, once you do that, you want to scroll down to the Mail section. All right, once you do that, you're going to see Email Integration, and you should be able to see your email address right here. And in order to disconnect it, click on this button here to the right, Disconnect. Once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to disconnect your Gmail account? If so, click on Disconnect. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the email has gone back to the default HoneyBook email. So now if I want to send emails from my HoneyBook using my Gmail, I will need to reconnect it in the future. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Gmail from HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.